If you're not making consistent profits from Forex right now, you're not alone. But here is the thing. You don't have to wait until you make it before you start earning from this skill. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money in Forex. Hey, I'm Favor Ayanshala, and I help unprofitable Forex trader turn their Forex skill into income flows. And I also help Forex coaches and YouTubers grow their audience, increase their sales through content strategies and editing. So, if you want to monetize your skill, hit the subscribe button and let's dive in. Most traders quit because they run out of money even before they master the trading skill. I don't believe that trading is a scam like every other person believes it is, but I'll tell you something, that trading is a high skill game. Trading is a high skill game, but your knowledge have an immediate high value in the market. Come to think of it, you already have 90% of the knowledge that beginners ought to know, even some experts. The only issue is you're not consistently making profits from the market. You are losing. Probably you've not been able to master your trading psychology, or maybe you still have you haven't built confidence enough to be able to process your strategy. So all this knowledge are monetizable. Trust me, you don't have to go and do all sorts of manual jobs. All you just need to do is sit at home and earn money with your skill. Work from home with your Forex skill. I'm going to point out the 5 skills that you can actually monetize. Now, this skill, a lot of Forex traders, a lot of Forex coaches are actually looking for people to give out this service. And do you know the game changer? The thing that makes you different from other people is the fact that you know a lot, you know so much about the industry. So it's very easy for anyone in the industry to actually give you work to do, to employ you. Number 1 is writing market analysis for bloggers or community. Now, you can actually be a Forex content writer. You can write for bloggers that their niche is solely about Forex, and you can also write for Forex trading community. And number 2, creating trading recaps and short videos. Now, there are lots of Forex coaches or those in the Forex community that actually love to, they would love to show their weekly trading record, their recap, and also maybe give out some tips. Now, you can actually work for people like that by bringing their trading recap, bringing it and putting them in a very consumable form, or perhaps turn them into a short videos for their particular audience to actually engage on. Number 3 is video editing for Forex coaches or Forex YouTubers. So many Forex traders, for so many Forex coaches, they need video editors. Why? Because a lot of them want to record their their courses. A lot of people want to teach on YouTube and they need editors. So being a Forex trader and a video editor all together, it gives you this high value market demand for the coach to actually reach out to you. Personally, I've worked with couples of the Forex niche. I've edited the first Forex video I edited was in 2022 when I was still embarking on my Forex journey, trying to learn what Forex trading is all about. And it was a video ad for their upcoming Forex classes, and it was really awesome. The person loved this. And then the second one I worked for was actually also that their trading recap, how their trading went, and to showcase how the community is actually reacting to their teachings and everything all together. So those things were not really difficult for me because I already know it leads to 1 or 2 about the industry. And not in talk of the fact that I really know so much about the industry. That is what's cool cash. 4 is social media manager. See, we had lots of Telegram group for Forex traders, Telegram group, more Signal Telegram group. We have for what is it called? We have for Facebook, we have for Twitter, we have for which other thing again? So many. And then these people need social media manager. They want people that will manage their social media page and account. See, trust me, these people, Forex trader, they don't really have time, but they want someone to do their work for them. And if you can actually position yourself as a social media manager to them, they will gladly want to employ you. Do you understand? Number 5 is helping new and upcoming trader create their journal and teach them some basic things about Forex, things that they really need to know. There are a lot of upcoming Forex traders that don't really have so much money. They don't have 200,000, they don't have like $500 to learn Forex trading, but you can actually give them your knowledge, what you know, just with a little amount of money that they can actually afford, like $20, $50 or something. They can actually like afford to pay for it. Don't look down on yourself. You already have what it takes to earn from this industry. Trust me. So how do you go about picking which one is best for you to go with? Number 1 is you have to start with what you can deliver, right? Is it writing? Are you good at writing? Is it graphics? Are you good at designing carousel? Are you good at editing simple, fast videos, short videos? Are you good at managing a community? Like, you get it. So you have to think about what you can actually like start with. Go with the easy one. Number 2 is offer it for free. Like 2 or 3 different persons. The whole purpose of you offering it for free is to actually have something to show to show your clients that, okay, this is actually what I have done before. Do you get it? This is what I've done before. But for video editing, if you want to dive into video editing, all you just need to do is to go on YouTube and look for some videos and re-edit it, work on those videos and add it to your portfolio, and voila, you are in. But you can still work for free, so you can actually get testimonies and feedback from the people that you work for, and then use it for this. Is that right? After you've been able to go through this process, you have to know how to find clients in 7 days. So this is where you can actually find clients in 7 days. What you need to do is join lots of community, Forex community, like Facebook, like Twitter. Follow the people you want to work with. Follow the Forex coaches. Follow anyone that is into like Forex coaching, whether their own niche is just to it's the signal group or anything related to Forex trading. Just join, and after you join, try to like get their emails or probably send them a DM, maybe like an Instagram DM or emails or Twitter. You just send them a DM. You don't send random DM and like more like you're trying to beg them. Just position yourself as somebody that can help them, because obviously you are yet to serve. So position them as somebody. So first of all, you have to tell them that, okay, you have to point out their problem. Oh, I noticed that you've not been posting regularly on your page, and then you also, and I noticed that you are a coach, but do you know that being consistent, visible online, actually have a way of scaling your sales? You can actually go on and on. You just ensure that you position yourself as someone that wants to solve a problem for them. Is that clear? So don't wait for profitability to start earning from Forex. Now pick a niche, send like 10 DMs, like 10 different people in a week and see what happens. If you want to learn how to monetize your Forex knowledge, and if you want to increase your online sales and visibility as a Forex trader or as a Forex coach, this is a safe place for you to be. So don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share. See you next week. Bye.